Hey, what's up everyone? I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm Bhalala and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you top 10 Japanese manga. I have excluded the manga with popular adaptation like One Punch Man, My Hero Academia, Full Metal Alchemist and so on. Some of the manga in the list have anime adaptation but only one season. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay then, let's start from the number 10, Mashle. In this manga, the world is of magic where magic is used for everything. The MC here can't use magic, so he spends his time training and bulking up. He can't use magic but he enjoys a peaceful life with his father. But the peaceful day didn't last long. In this world, an association called Magic Bureau governs the rule of the world and they kill those who doesn't have magic. The MC God discovered that he can't use magic. Make sure to read this manga to find out how he deals with the situation. Okay then, let's come to the number 9, Kenja no Mago. In this manga, a young man from Earth died in an accident and got reincarnated in another world as a baby. After that, he was picked up by the hero Sage Merlin Waldfold and was given the name Sin. The sage Merlin raised him as a grandson and taught him all about magic. In his 15th birthday, he showed everyone what he learned from his grandpa and his grandma guru Melinda, and the result was catastrophic. His grandpa taught him everything about magic, but he forgot to teach him the most important thing, and that was common sense. Now let's come to the number 8, Monster. In this manga, the MC Tomokui Kanata dies an unfortunate death and reincarnates as a member of the weakest race, a goblin named Rou. However, Rou has retained his previous life's memories as well as an ability that allows him to level up and gain skills from eating. He also possesses a unique evolutionary tree. The MC has made a promise to himself that he would live his life to the fullest. Be sure to check it out to see his amazing and absurd adventure. Now let's come to the number 7, Konjiki no Word Master. The MC Okamura Hiro is an introverted and book-loving person. To him, books are the reason for his existence. The story starts with the usual gimmick of summoning of heroes. 5 people summoned, but one of them is just an outsider dragged in accidentally. That person is Hero. The 4 others are his classmates, but it's not like they are friends. The king asked them to help his country from demon kings, but Hero refused. His reason was he doesn't believe them and saying it's not his business. Saying goodbye to them, he sets for his own journey. Read this manga to see how his journey is and how powerful he becomes. Okay then, let's come to the number 6, The New Gate. The New Gate is an online game that has trapped its player and turned it to a death game. Thousands of players had been dragged into it. Thanks to the effort of Sin, one of the most powerful characters, they were released. But after having defeated the last boss, he was swallowed up by a strange light and found himself inside the game world 500 years in the future and unable to leave. Now let's come to the number 5. So I am a spider, so what? In a distant world where the hero and the demon king continue to oppose each other, the grand magic from the hero and the demon king crossed over worlds and exploded in the classroom of a certain high school in Japan. The students who died in the explosion will be reincarnated in a different world. The MC, who has the lowest reputation in the class, was reincarnated into a spider, but she adapted quickly to the present condition with strong willpower. Make sure to check this manga out if you want to know how she adapts to the environment where strong eats the weak. And one more information about this manga is the anime of this manga is coming very soon. Now let's come to the number 4. That time I got reincarnated as a slime. This manga is a very popular manga. It has its own anime adaptation but only one season. Alright, coming to the story, a man is stabbed by a robber on the run. After pushing his co-worker and his co-worker's new fiancée out of the way. As he was bleeding to the death, he hears a voice. The voice was strange and he interprets his dying regret of being a virgin by giving him the unique skill Great says. And personally I think its anime is good and all, but the manga is amazing. Be sure to check it out. Okay then, let's come to the number 3, Origin. Before starting the introduction of this manga, let me tell you this. This is not a isekai type manga, but it's a robot action and drama type. Okay then, coming to the story, in the year of AD 2048, Japan is connected to the Eurasian continent by a transcontinental railroad. The capital has become a gathering spot for criminals and terrorists, but they are not the only one who was lurking in the shadows. There are robots as well. The MC got this info about a robot and tries to confront it. Be sure to check it out to know how he defeats them. Now let's come to the number 2, Jobless Reincarnation. 34-year-old NEET otaku is chased out from his own house by his own family. Being a penniless and unattractive, he finds that he reached a dead end in life and realizes that his life actually could have been much better if he had made better choices in the past. Just when he was at the point of regret, he saw a truck moving at a high speed straight towards a high school girl. Mustering all his strength he had, he tried to save her and ended up getting run over by the truck. After his death, when he opened his eyes, he was already reincarnated into a world of sword and magic as Ryudius Greyat. The manga is a great one, and the anime of this manga is coming as well. Be sure to check it out. Now let's come to the number 1, Kimetsu no Yaiba. I don't think I need to tell you guys why I have placed this manga in number 1 position. The anime of this manga aired in April 6, 2019, and after that, everyone going crazy about this anime. And I still don't think I need to give you an intro of this manga, but as I have been doing this for every manga, let's do this one as well. The MC Tanjiro, he is the eldest son in a family that has lost his father. One day Tanjiro visits another town to sell charcoal, but ends up staying the night at someone else's house because of a rumor about a demon that stalks people and kills them at night in a nearby mountain. When he goes home the next day, tragedy is waiting for him. Be sure to check this out. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I'll be back with a new video next month. I know it's late, but I can't help it, you know. There are some stuff going on, so my videos are coming late. And in my channel, I upload videos about Japanese, Korean and Chinese manga. Well, you see, there are a wide variety of manga, and I work hard to select some interesting manga for you guys, so that you can enjoy reading them. So if you subscribe my channel, you will get hundreds of thousands of amazing manga to read. And if my video helped you out, then give it a thumbs up. Oh, and click that bell icon as well, so that you will get notified about my video and you can keep yourself updated with all the stuff I'll upload. See you next time. Peace out.